again by midweek and beyond, with a favorable setup for multiple weather showers through the second half of the work week. Now, here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely this evening. Then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Unseasonably warm lows in the lower 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 100%. Monday, cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning. Cooler with highs in the upper 50s. Temperatures falling into the lower 50s in the afternoon. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming northwest in the afternoon. Chance of rain 40%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Cooler with lows in the mid-30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday, showers likely in the morning, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Much warmer with highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday night, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Monday with lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers in the afternoon. Unseasonably warm with highs around 70. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday night, showers. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 90%. Friday, mostly cloudy. Showers mainly in the morning. Highs in the mid-60s.
Coming week.
Chance of rain 70%.
The following are today's 7 a.m.
Friday night,
observed
mostly cloudy.
on the Monroe
A chance of showers in the evening.
Line.
Showers likely after midnight. Lows in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday, showers likely. Highs in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with occasional chance of showers. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, and becoming partly cloudy. A 40% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-50s. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Warren, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hutton, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. For this afternoon and tonight, showers and storms are expected this evening, some of which will be severe. Damaging winds from the battery threat. Large hail and 2 tornadoes are also be possible. Days 2 through 7, Monday through Sunday. On Wednesday and Wednesday night, a few strong to severe storms are possible. In addition, the active pattern with episodes of storms are expected through Sunday. The potential of heavy rain in each wave of system poses a significant increase in the threat of flooding, possibly widespread flooding. Water activation will likely be needed. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles of the South Shore of Lake Erie. Tonight, south winds 15 to 20 knots becoming southwest. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms this evening, then a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Monday, west winds 15 to 20 knots becoming northwest. A chance of showers in the morning. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to 4 feet, then subsiding to 1 to 3 feet. Monday night, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots becoming north. Mostly cloudy. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Tuesday, north winds 5 to 15 knots becoming east. Partly sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Winds and waves higher in area thunderstorms. The water temperature off Toledo is 45 degrees. Off Cleveland, 40 degrees. And off Curry, 42 degrees. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles of the South Shore of Lake Erie. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Tonight, south winds 15 to 20 knots becoming southwest. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms this evening, then a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe with catching winds 50 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Monday, west winds 15 to 20 knots becoming northwest. A chance of showers in the morning. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to 4 feet, then subsiding to 1 to 3 feet. Monday night, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots becoming north. Mostly cloudy. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Tuesday, north winds 5 to 15 knots becoming east. Partly sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Winds and waves higher in thunderstorms. Indoor temperature on Pluto is 45 degrees, Cleveland 40 degrees, and all 42 degrees. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Showers and thunderstorms will develop tonight ahead of a cold front approaching from the west. Some of these storms will be strong to severe. Drier conditions return for Monday and Tuesday. A more active weather pattern returns once again by next week and beyond, with a favorable setup for multiple rounds of showers and storms through the second half of the work week. Now here's the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely this evening, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Unseasonably warm lows in the 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 100%. Monday, cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning. Cooler with highs in the upper 50s. Temperatures falling into the lower 50s in the afternoon. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, becoming northwest in the afternoon. Chance of rain 40%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Cooler with lows in the mid-30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday, showers likely in the morning, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Much warmer with highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday night, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Warmer with lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers in the afternoon. Unseasonably warm with highs around 70. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday night, showers. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 90%. Friday, mostly cloudy. Showers likely, mainly in the morning. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 70%. Friday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday, showers likely. Highs in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A 40% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-50s. Here are the 5 p.m. weather conditions at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport under partly sunny skies. The temperature was 69 degrees, dew point 62, and the relative humidity 70%. The wind south at 9 miles an hour. Barometric pressure was 29.76 inches and falling. And now the conditions for selected locations across Ohio. Reaching back to airport cloudy and 69. In Athens, partly sunny and 70. In Delaware, partly sunny and 68. In Chillicothe, cloudy and 70. Up in Cleveland, cloudy and 65. Down in Cincinnati, partly sunny and 71. And over in Dayton, partly sunny and 72. Once again at 5 p.m. at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport, it was 69 degrees under partly sunny skies. The Columbus, Ohio climate summary for this evening as of 4 p.m., March 30th, 2025. Today's high temperature of 68 degrees occurred at 3:51 p.m. This high was 11 degrees above the normal high of 57. Today's low temperature of 58 degrees occurred at 3:39 a.m. This low was 22 degrees above the normal low of 36. 0.36 inches of precipitation fell today. No snow fell today. There was no snow on the ground. Sunset tonight is at 7:54 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:17 a.m. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Showers and thunderstorms will develop tonight ahead of a cold front approaching from the west. Some of these storms will be strong to severe. Drier conditions return for Monday and Tuesday. A more active weather pattern returns once again by midweek and beyond, with a favorable setup for multiple rounds of showers and storms through the second half of the work week. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely this evening, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 100%. Monday, cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning. Cooler with highs in the upper 50s. Temperatures falling into the lower 50s in the afternoon. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming northwest in the afternoon. Chance of rain 40%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Cooler with lows in the mid-30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday, showers likely in the morning, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Much warmer with highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday night, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Warmer with lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers in the afternoon. Unseasonably warm with highs around 70. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday night, showers. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 90%. Friday, mostly cloudy. Showers likely, mainly in the morning. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 70%. Friday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday, showers likely. Highs in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A 40% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-50s. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Chicaway, and Union. For this afternoon and tonight, showers and storms are expected this evening, some of which will be severe. Damaging winds are the primary threat, though large hail and a few tornadoes will also be possible. Days 2 through 7, Monday through Sunday. On Wednesday and Wednesday night, a few strong to severe storms are possible. In addition, an active pattern with episodes of storms are expected through Sunday. The potential of heavy rain with each wave of systems poses a significant increase in the threat of flooding, possibly widespread flooding. Other activation will likely be needed. This is no weather. All hazards radio station GIG 86, Columbus, Ohio. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 MHz and serving Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office of Wilmington, Ohio. Here are the 5 p.m. weather conditions at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport under partly sunny skies. The temperature was 69 degrees, the dew point 62, and the relative humidity 78%. The wind south at 9 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 29.76 inches and falling. And now the conditions for selected locations across Ohio. Ricky Macker Airport cloudy in 69. In Athens, partly sunny in 70. In Delaware, partly sunny in 68. In Chillicothe, cloudy in 70. In Cleveland, cloudy in 65. Down in Cincinnati, partly sunny and 71. Over in Dayton, partly sunny and 72. Once again at 5 p.m. at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport, it was 69 degrees under partly sunny skies. The Columbus, Ohio climate summary for this evening as of 4 p.m. March 30th, 2025. Today's high temperature of 68 degrees occurred at 3:51 p.m. This high was 11 degrees above the normal high of 67. Today's low temperature of 58 degrees occurred at 3:39 a.m. This low was 22 degrees above the normal low of 36. 0.36 inches of precipitation for today. No snow fell today. There was no snow on the ground. Sunset tonight is at 7:54 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:17 a.m. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Showers and thunderstorms will develop tonight ahead of a cold front approaching from the west. Some of these storms will be strong to severe. Drier conditions return from Monday and Tuesday. A more active weather pattern returns once again by midweek and beyond, with a favorable setup for multiple rounds of showers and storms through the second half of the work week. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely this evening, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 100%. Monday, cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning. Cooler with highs in the upper 50s. Temperatures falling into the lower 50s in the afternoon. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming northwest in the afternoon. Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Cooler with lows in the mid-30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday, showers likely in the morning, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Much warmer with highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday night, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Warmer with lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers in the afternoon. Unseasonably warm with highs around 70. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday night, showers. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 90%. Friday, mostly cloudy. Showers likely, mainly in the morning. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 70%. Friday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely after midnight.
Yeah.
Lows in the mid-40s.
What?
Chance of rain 70%. Saturday, showers likely. Highs in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A 40% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-50s. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles of the south shore of Lake Erie. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Tonight, south winds 15 to 20 knots becoming southwest. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms this evening, then a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds this evening. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Monday, west winds 15 to 20 knots becoming northwest. A chance of showers in the morning. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to 4 feet, then subsiding to 1 to 3 feet. Monday night, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots becoming north. Mostly cloudy. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Tuesday, north winds 5 to 15 knots becoming east. Partly sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Winds and waves higher and near thunderstorms. The water temperature off Toledo is 45 degrees, off Cleveland 40 degrees, and off Derry 42 degrees. Here are the 5 p.m. weather conditions at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport under partly sunny skies. The temperature was 69 degrees, the dew point 62, and the relative humidity 78%. The wind south at 9 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 29.76 inches and falling. And now the conditions for selected locations across Ohio. Ricky Radford Airport cloudy and 69. In Athens partly sunny and 70. At Delaware partly sunny and 68. In Chillicothe cloudy and 70. Up in Cleveland cloudy and 65. Down in Cincinnati partly sunny and 71. And over in Dayton partly sunny and 72. Once again at 5 p.m. at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport, it was 69 degrees under partly sunny skies. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. For this afternoon and tonight, showers and storms are expected this evening, some of which will be severe. Damaging winds are the primary threat, though large hail and a few tornadoes are also be possible. Days 2 through 7, Monday through Sunday. On Wednesday and Wednesday night, a few strong to severe storms are possible. In addition, an active pattern with episodes of storms are expected through Sunday. The potential of heavy rain with each wave of systems poses a significant increase in the threat of flooding, possibly widespread flooding. Other activation will likely be needed. The Columbus, Ohio climate summary for this evening, as of 4 p.m., March 30th, 2025. Today's high temperature of 68 degrees occurred at 3:51 p.m. This high was 11 degrees above the normal high of 57. Today's low temperature of 58 degrees occurred at 3:39 a.m. This low is 22 degrees above the normal low of 36. 0.36 inches of precipitation fell today. No snow fell today. There was no snow on the ground. Sunset tonight is at 7:54 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:17 a.m. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Showers and thunderstorms will develop tonight ahead of a cold front approaching from the west. Some of these storms will be strong to severe. Drier conditions return for Monday and Tuesday. A more active weather pattern returns once again by midweek and beyond, with a favorable setup for multiple rounds of showers and storms through the second half of the work week. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely this evening, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 100%. Monday, cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning. Cooler with highs in the upper 50s. Temperatures falling into the lower 50s in the afternoon. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming northwest in the afternoon. Chance of rain 40%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Cooler with lows in the mid-30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday, showers likely in the morning, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Much warmer with highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday night, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Warmer with lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers in the afternoon. Unseasonably warm with highs around 70. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday night, showers. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 90%. Friday, mostly cloudy. Showers likely, mainly in the morning. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 70%. Friday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday, showers likely. Highs in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A 40% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-50s. Here are the 5 p.m. weather conditions at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport under partly sunny skies. The temperature was 69 degrees, the dew point 62, and the relative humidity 78%. The wind south at 9 miles per hour. The barometric pressure was 29.76 inches and falling. And now the conditions for selected locations across Ohio. Rickenbacker Airport cloudy and 69. In Athens partly sunny and 70. In Delaware partly sunny and 68. In Chillicothe cloudy and 70. Up in Cleveland cloudy and 65. Down in Cincinnati partly sunny and 71. And over in Dayton partly sunny and 72. Once again at 5 p.m. at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport, it was 69 degrees under partly sunny skies. The Columbus, Ohio climate summary for this evening as of 4 p.m., March 30th, 2025. Today's high temperature of 68 degrees occurred at 3:51 p.m. This high was 11 degrees above the normal high of 57. Today's low temperature of 58 degrees occurred at 3:39 a.m. This low was 22 degrees above the normal low of 36. 0.36 inches of precipitation fell today. No snow fell today. There was no snow on the ground. Sunset tonight is at 7:54 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:17 a.m. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Showers and thunderstorms will develop tonight ahead of a cold front approaching from the west. Some of these storms will be strong to severe. Drier conditions return from Monday and Tuesday. A more active weather pattern returns once again by midweek and beyond, with a favorable setup for multiple rounds of showers and storms through the second half of the work week. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely this evening, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 100%. Monday, cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning. Cooler with highs in the upper 50s. Temperatures falling into the lower 50s in the afternoon. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming northwest in the afternoon. Chance of rain 20%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Cooler with lows in the mid-30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday, showers likely in the morning, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Much warmer with highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday night, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Warmer with lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers in the afternoon. Unseasonably warm with highs around 70. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday night, showers. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 90%. Friday, mostly cloudy. cloudy. Showers likely, mainly in the morning. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 70%. Friday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening. Then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday, showers likely. Highs in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A 40% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-50s. This is No Weather, All Hazards radio station GIG 86, Columbus, Ohio. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz in serving Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office at Wilmington, Ohio. Here are the 6 p.m. weather conditions at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport under partly sunny skies. The temperature was 70 degrees, the dew point 62, and the relative humidity 76%. The wind south at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 21. The barometric pressure was 29.74 inches and falling. And now the conditions for selected locations across Ohio. Golden Field, partly sunny, and 70. In Lancaster, fair, and 72. At Newark, cloudy, and 70. Up in Cleveland, cloudy, and 65. Down in Cincinnati, cloudy, and 69. Once again at 6 p.m. at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport, it was 70 degrees under partly sunny skies. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. For this afternoon and tonight, showers and storms are expected this evening, some of which will be severe. Damaging winds are the primary threat, though large hail and a few tornadoes are also be possible. Days 2 through 7, Monday through Sunday. On Wednesday and Wednesday night, a few strong to severe storms are possible. In addition, an active pattern with episodes of storms are expected through Sunday. The potential of heavy rain with each wave of system poses a significant increase in the threat of flooding, possibly widespread flooding. Spotter activation will likely be needed. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles of the south shore of Lake Erie. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Tonight, south winds 15 to 20 knots becoming southwest. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms this evening, then a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds this evening. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Monday, west winds 15 to 20 knots becoming northwest. A chance of showers in the morning. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to 4 feet, then subsiding to 1 to 3 feet. Monday night, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots becoming north. Mostly cloudy. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Tuesday, north winds 5 to 15 knots becoming east. Partly sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Winds and waves higher in their thunderstorms. The water temperature of Toledo is 45 degrees, off Cleveland 40 degrees, and off Derry 42 degrees. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Showers and thunderstorms will develop tonight ahead of a cold front approaching from the west. Some of these storms will be strong to severe. Drier conditions return for Monday and Tuesday. A more active weather pattern returns once again by midweek and beyond, with a favorable setup for multiple rounds of showers and storms through the second half of the work week. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely this evening, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 100%. Monday, cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning. Cooler with highs in the upper 50s. Temperatures falling into the lower 50s in the afternoon. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming northwest in the afternoon. Chance of rain 40%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Cooler with lows in the mid-30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday, showers likely in the morning, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Much warmer with highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday night, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Warmer with lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers in the afternoon. Unseasonably warm with highs around 70. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday night, showers. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 90%. Friday, mostly cloudy. Showers likely, mainly in the morning. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 70%. Friday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday, showers likely. Highs in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A 40% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-50s. Here are the 6 p.m. weather conditions at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport. Under partly sunny skies, the temperature was 70 degrees, the dew point 62, and the relative humidity 76%. The wind south at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 21. The barometric pressure was 29.74 inches and falling. And now the conditions for selected locations across Ohio. Rickenbacker Airport partly sunny and 70. In Athens cloudy and 69. At Delaware cloudy and 68. Up in Cleveland cloudy and 65. Down in Cincinnati cloudy and 69. And over in Dayton cloudy and 71. Once again at 6 p.m. at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport, it was 70 degrees under partly sunny skies. The Columbus, Ohio climate summary for this evening as of 4 p.m., March 30th, 2025. Today's high temperature of 68 degrees occurred at 3:51 p.m. This high was 11 degrees above the normal high of 57. Today's low temperature of 58 degrees occurred at 3:39 a.m. This low was 22 degrees above the normal low of 36. 0.36 inches of precipitation fell today. No snow fell today. There was no snow on the ground. Sunset tonight is at 7:54 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:17 a.m. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Showers and thunderstorms will develop tonight ahead of a cold front approaching from the west. Some of these storms will be strong to severe. Drier conditions return for Monday and Tuesday. A more active weather pattern returns once again by midweek and beyond, with a favorable setup for multiple rounds of showers and storms through the second half of the work week. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely this evening, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 100%. Monday, cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning. Cooler with highs in the upper 50s. Temperatures falling into the lower 50s in the afternoon. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming northwest in the afternoon. Chance of rain 40%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Cooler with lows in the mid-30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday, showers likely in the morning, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Much warmer with highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday night, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Winds. Cooler with lows in the mid-40s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Monday, mostly cloudy. Much cooler with highs in the upper 40s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Monday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Cooler with lows around 30. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-40s. Northeast winds 5. Chance of rain 80%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Lows in the mid-40s. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A 50% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Indiana: Dearborn, Fayette, Franklin, Ohio, Ripley, Switzerland, Union, and the following counties in Kentucky: Boone, Bracken, Campbell, Carroll, Goucher, Grant, Kenton, Mason, Owen, Pendleton, and Robertson, and the following counties in Ohio: Brown, Butler, Claremont, Clinton, Hamilton, Highland, and Warren. Cox, Henry, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Williams, and Wood, and the following marine locations: Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, and Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to Reno Beach beyond 5 miles from shore. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 75, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Ledway and Monroe, and the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Williams, and Wood, and the following marine locations: Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, and Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to Reno Beach beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 75 has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan: Ledway and Monroe, and the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Williams, and Wood, and the following marine locations: Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, and Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to Reno Beach beyond 5 miles from shore. An urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southeastern Steuben, northeastern Allen, eastern Delaware Cow, southern Hillsdale, Defiance, northern Paulding, Henry, Williams, and Fulton counties. At 6:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of Pioneer to Marysville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include May, Grelton, Stewart, Ridgeville Corners, Gerald, Liberty Center, Fayette, Lake Seneca, Pedro, Bruinsburg, Wildhaven, Antwerp, Oklahoma, Mark Center, Outapi, Kunkel, Bryan, Jewell, Existo, and Bridgewater Center. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Indiana near mile marker 156. Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile marker 0 and 48. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams. The urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Lenawee County. At 6:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles northeast of Litchfield to 6 miles west of Hudson to near Bryan, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. These severe storms will be near Hudson and Addison around 6:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cements it, the urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southeastern Hillsdale, northeastern Defiance, northern Henry, eastern Williams, and Fulton counties. At 6:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near West Unity to 6 miles southeast of Bryan, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lyons, Evansport, Oakshade, Swanson, May, Alfredton, Stryker, Seward, Ridgeville Corners, Gerald, Denton, Waldron, Liberty Center, Fayette, Pulaski, Assumption, Colton, Pedro, Bruinsburg, and Wowton. This includes Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile markers 17 and 48. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams. The urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Lenawee County. At 6:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Jackson to near Clayton to near Archbold, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. These severe storms will be near Hunstead, Morenci, Adrian, and Clayton around 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tecumseh and Clayton around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Litchfield around 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Britain around 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Deerfield around 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Seneca, Manitoulin, Devil's Lake, Macon, Lime Creek, Munson, Ogden Center, Canandaigua, Ridgeway, Elmira, and Tiffin. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Lenawee, Michigan. This is NOAA Radio WXL 51 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for Northwest Ohio over station WXL 51 from Holland on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. The forecast for Northwest Ohio. Severe thunderstorm watch 75 in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms this evening, then a chance of showers after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds. Cooler with lows in the mid-40s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Monday, mostly cloudy. Much cooler with highs in the upper 40s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Monday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Cooler with lows around 30. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-40s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming east with gusts up to 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 30s. East winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Wednesday, showers. A chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Much warmer with highs in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 90%. Wednesday night, a chance of thunderstorms. Showers. Locally heavy rainfall possible in the evening. Not as cool as lows in the upper 50s. Chance of rain near 100%. The urgent weather message. For the following counties, in Michigan, Ledaway and Monroe, and the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Williams and Woods, and the following marine locations, Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, and Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to Reno Beach beyond 5 miles from shore. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 75, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties, in Michigan, Ledaway and Monroe, and the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Williams and Woods, and the following marine locations, Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, and Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to Reno Beach beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 75 has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties, in Michigan, Ledaway and Monroe, and the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Defiance County in northwestern Ohio, northern Henry County in northwestern Ohio, Fulton County in northwestern Ohio, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Morenci to 7 miles north of Defiance, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lyons, Oakshade, Swanson, Seward, Ridgeville Corners, Gerald, Denson, Liberty Center, Assumption, Colton, Pedro, Bruinsburg, Wildfield, Oklahoma, Albuquerque, Braley, Jewell, Petisville, Florida, and Winnebago. This includes Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile markers 26 and 48. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton and Henry. The urgent weather message. For the following counties in Michigan, Lenawee and Monroe, and the following counties in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Williams and Wood, and the following marine locations, Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, and Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to Reno Beach beyond 5 miles from shore. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 75, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan, Lenawee and Monroe, and the following counties in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Williams and Wood, and the following marine locations, Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, and Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to Reno Beach beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 75 has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan, Lenawee and Monroe, and the following counties in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Williams and Wood, and the following marine locations, Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, and Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to Reno Beach beyond 5 miles from shore. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Defiance County in northwestern Ohio, northern Henry County in northwestern Ohio, Fulton County in northwestern Ohio, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Morenci to 7 miles north of Defiance, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lyons, Oakshade, Swanton, Seward, Ridgeville Corners, Gerald, Denson, Liberty Center, Assumption, Colton, Tedrow, Bruinsburg, Wildkin, Oklahoma, Outapi, Braley, Jewel, Atisto, Florida, and Winnipeg. This includes Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile markers 26 and 48. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, and Henry. The urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Lenawee County. At 6:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Jackson to near Clayton to near Archbold, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. These severe storms will be near Hunstead, Morenci, Adrian, and Clayton around 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tecumseh with a conclusion around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Litchfield around 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Britain around 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Deerfield around 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Seneca, Manitoulin, Devil's Lake, Macon, Lime Creek, Munson, Ogden Center, Canandaigua, Ridgeway, Palmyra, and Tippin. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Lenawee, Michigan. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXL 51 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for Northwest Ohio over station WXL 51 from Holland on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. The forecast from Northwest Ohio. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. West of tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely this evening, then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds this evening. Cooler with lows in the mid-40s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain near 100%. It's 7:17 a.m. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Showers and thunderstorms will develop tonight ahead of a cold front approaching from the west. Some of these storms 5 miles an hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday, showers in the morning. A chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Much warmer with highs in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 90%. Wednesday night, a chance of thunderstorms. Showers. Locally heavy rainfall possible in the evening. Not as cool as lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain near 100%. The urgent weather message. For the following counties, in Michigan, Lenawee and Monroe, and the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Williams and Woods, and the following marine locations, Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, and Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to Reno Beach beyond 5 miles from shore. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 75, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties, in Michigan, Lenawee and Monroe. The urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Lenawee County. At 6:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stockbridge to near Manchester to 9 miles north of Delta, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. These severe storms will be near Woodfield, Britain, Tecumseh, and Deerfield around 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Seneca, Macon, Ogden Center, Ridgeway, Palmyra, Piston, Sand Creek, Jasper, Rome Center, and Weston. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small. Episodes of storms are expected through Sunday. The potential of heavy rain with each wave of systems poses a significant increase in the threat of flooding, possibly widespread flooding. Spotter activation will likely be needed. Here are the 6 p.m. weather conditions at the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport. Under cloudy skies, the temperature was 69 degrees, the dew point 62, and the relative humidity 70%. The wind chill is 15 miles an hour, gusting to 24. The barometric pressure was 29.73 inches and falling. And now the conditions for selected locations in Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana. At Lincoln Airport, cloudy and 70. In Wilmington, cloudy and 68. At Hamilton, cloudy and 69. At Lebanon, light rain and fog and 68. Up in Columbus, partly sunny and 70. Over in Indianapolis, thunder and 67. And down in Louisville, partly sunny and 74. In Oxford, cloudy and 72. Once again at 6 p.m. at the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport, it was 69 degrees under cloudy skies. The Cincinnati, Ohio climate summary for this evening as of 4 p.m., March 30th, 2025. Today's high temperature. temperature of 72 degrees occurred at 2:59 p.m. This high was in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Tonight, south winds 15 to 20 knots becoming southwest. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms this evening, then a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds this evening. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Monday, west winds 15 to 20 knots becoming northwest. A chance of showers in the morning. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to 4 feet, then subsiding to 1 to 3 feet. Monday night, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots becoming north. Mostly cloudy. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Tuesday, north winds 5 to 15 knots becoming east. Partly sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Winds and waves higher in their thunderstorms. The water temperature off Toledo is 45 degrees, off Cleveland 40 degrees, and off Erie 42 degrees. Here are the 6 p.m. weather conditions at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport under partly sunny skies. The temperature was 70 degrees, the dew point 62, and the relative humidity 76%. The wind south at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 21. The barometric pressure was 29.74 inches and falling. And now the conditions for selected cities across Ohio. In northwest Ohio, Toledo cloudy and 68. Across the northeast, at Cleveland. This includes Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile markers 26 and 48. It's cool. Rain and a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then rain likely after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain near 100%. Thursday, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 60s. 34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stockbridge to near Manchester to 9 miles north of Delta, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and any-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. These severe storms will be near Brookfield, Britain, Tecumseh, and Deerfield around 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Seneca, Macon, Ogden Center, Ridgeway, Palmyra, Tipton, Sand Creek, Jasper, Rome Center, and Weston. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Lenawee, Michigan. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXL 51 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for Northwest Ohio over station WXL 51 from Holland on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. The forecast from Northwest Ohio. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Rest of tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely this evening, then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds this evening. Cooler with lows in the mid-40s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Monday, mostly cloudy. Much cooler with highs in the mid-40s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Monday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Cooler with lows around 30. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-40s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming east with gusts up to 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 30s. East winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Wednesday, showers. A chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Much warmer with highs in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 90%. Wednesday night, a chance of thunderstorms. Showers. Locally heavy rainfall possible in the evening. Not as cool as lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain near 100%. A special weather statement. For the following counties, in Ohio, Lucas, Ottawa, and Wood. Strong thunderstorms will impact Ottawa, Northern Wood, and Lucas counties to 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Delta radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Moransky to near Alton to near the
5 p. Tick mark.
northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, the urgent weather message. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Defiance County is canceled. The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Ohio. The urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Henry and Fulton counties. At 6:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Delta to near Napoleon, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage